Oh yeah, let's start off the morning right. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Today's the day where we might get some color on this bad boy. As you can see, we did a nice good sand job to this black primer. So we're almost to the point to see what's going to happen with the black paint. Of course, I'll have to test back here in the back just to see how well it does back here, since most of this back here you won't see anyway. So I'll bring y'all back when we get a little further along. Well guys, we got a lot of defects. For one thing right here, there was water inside here, so when I shot it, it freaking sprayed out. So of course, that ruined that spot, and I accidentally tipped the cup over when I was angled, and it dripped right in here, as you can see. So I hope I can wet sand that a little bit. And you can still see a lot of stuff with the black, that's for sure. But is what it is. Hopefully when I wet sand it and buff it, I can get a lot of this stuff out. Something must have rubbed right there too. It's hard whenever you're reaching over, painting over here, to not let your shirt kind of like dangle up inside the crop. And of course, it'll don't even want to discuss the roof. But it is what it is. At least better than what it was. So.